Meghalaya Chess Association, East Khasi Hill District Sdang man belong yaka 7 East Khasi Hill District Selection Chess Tournament arhaja arpsan kaba arsni kabla Sdang hakasni thoding but kan kun hakasni sajan ka lightweight ring. Hakane ka tournament kiladan palat prabongon kiblay shimenta but ha kabala play yakane ka jingine akai the usko chairman ka MIDC ka sorkar jala uba ransom sutanga uba longru ka jokapor urang bashnang ka darbashnang Mawphor ka jingnan lang u president ba KM Wajri u secretary ba JK Pajat nangta u chief arbiter ka MCA u biju seng nalor kinongile akai bat kikmigi pa habakran kum kongsan uba sutanga ulong baka jingine akai chess kadai ka ba e abha but donru ki ba ong ba ki tu ki batbet ya kane ka jingine akai ki deiru ki batrem ha ka mathematics henry kane kamdei kumta namar manuru kila bani shibbenta ulapan pau ka jingkaman ban yo I ba ki khun samla na do ki hebret hado ki samla rangba kile shibbenta bat kane kanya rap ban sei ki player ki batben nakaliang jong u ula ai ru ka jing rap da ka song pisa shaka association bakan la pentulun ya ki kam la yoru I jingran no chief arbiter ka MCA bat la penya ya ka program play do secretary ha ka ba u kongsan ula pen bana bayakani ka tournament la Sdang hakani ka sngi
because that's what the constitution and even the rule says that. Others, even young boys who are here, they are born and brought up here, no problem. Anyone.
MIDC, Government of Meghalaya. Parents present here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it is an honor for me to be here this morning. Actually, my house is just a few distance from here. It's just behind this place. So I'm also the Rangbashnong of this locality. Yesterday they were selected me as the Rangbashnong of the locality. So on behalf of the locality, Mawphor Youtube, I warmly welcome each one of you, the players, the members of the association, and also the parents present here this morning to our locality. Thank you so much for your participation in this tournament. I learned that this is the 7th East Khasi Hill District Selection Chess Tournament 2025. But actually it is not like that, it seems. Okay? Anybody can play chess. Alright? So this morning I am very happy to see young players, sitting at the table participating in this tournament. Now, from my side, as a sign of my participation with you, especially in this tournament, she will also participate tomorrow at the close of this event. So, Bajo, I want to contribute this as a token of my love to your organization, your association. So, I want to request Babolo, please accept this, token of love from my side. So with these few words, thank you and God bless.
Interesting to contribute to our district association. To be honest, with this district selection, actually we have not received any funds from anyone, not even from the district sports office, like as usual. But due to the national, we have to conduct the national in the month of June. That's why we have a meeting. That we discussed that some players should not suffer, so by any means we should conduct. Even we have to take a loan also, we are ready for that. But we are very grateful to Ransom Sukha. This, we don't know how much amount we are doing. So okay, ask our children is in the so it's 4 months. So I want to achieve that and the president. So I declare this 7th East Khasi Hills chess competition
tournament open today. Thank you.
आज जीत गए थे आप मुकेश के
Okay, players will start the game exactly at 11.
कच्चा